Relationship between FM and AFM, yes, because what happens, okay, let me go back and show it from here with relationship with FM and AFM. They are actually quite closely related. I mean, I know that AA and AAA are related, F7 and SBR are related, TX and ATX are related, and similarly, FM and AFM are related. But in case of AFM and FM, the relationship is actually, or the overlap is too strong, or the overlap is too significant. Why do I say that? Because there are so many topics which you have done them in FM, and they are the same topic in AFM as well. The only difference is that they become a little bit more advanced. For example, capital budgeting, like investment appraisal, NPVs, IRRs. You have done them in FM, you will do them in AFM as well. The basic calculation of NPV remains same. The basic cash flow concept and present value concept, discount factors remain same, but there would be more complex scenarios and they would require probably more complex concepts which you were not familiar before, like option pricing model, like Black-Scholes model can come in. For example, calculation of, I mean, involvement of foreign currencies in the NPV thing. So it becomes a little bit more complex, but the fundamental principles, they come from the same. Cost of capital, again, WACC, you did calculate in FM, you know how to calculate WACC. Here it becomes, it is involved, you have to calculate WACC in AFM as well, but in probably more complex situations with betas and, how to say, geared betas and ungeared betas and probably industry risk, etc. Capital structure, you are familiar from FM, again, you will learn it here. Business valuation, you did back in your FM, here you will do it again, but at a more advanced level. Similarly, risk management, you did two types of risk management: currency risk management and interest rate risk management in F9 or FM. You will be doing the same two types of risk management, but of course with a more complex scenarios. So I mean, if you see that these are the only important topics in AFM, and all of these are topics you did them in FM. So here it is just one step advanced.